Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off promotional emails on Nintendo. First of all, go to the official website of Nintendo, open up a web browser and type in nintendo.com in it and search. Make sure that you're logged into your Nintendo account as well. And after you're signed into the homepage of Nintendo, go to the upper right corner and click on your name. Now, from the expanded menu, scroll down and click on Nintendo Account Overview section. On the next page, it'll open up the Profile section where you'll need to click Account Settings at the top. Soon after you do that, you'll open up the User Information section. Go to the left-hand side and click on Privacy and Other Settings. Now, you'll see the Emails from Nintendo option. Click on Change right next to it. And now toggle off the button right next to Receive Product Info and Promotional Emails. And if you want to turn off the questionnaires and emails as well, you can turn the next button off. Right after you do this, you'll not receive any promotional emails or questionnaires from Nintendo. But you'll still receive important accounts and security emails even after turning off promotions. So that is how you can easily turn off promotional emails in Nintendo.com. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back in the next episode. Thank you for watching.